I got some not so great news. I got let go from Macy's lingerie department.
Those bastards. Who wouldn't enjoy a nice thong?
Come on.
And I got maybe 10 minutes left with the car. What I need to get is a
Job.
Husband.
You guys got anything full-time, part-time? How comfortable are you with the lowlife?
Sold lingerie for 3 years in Newark.
You're good to go. Joe Morelli skipped out on bail.
50 grand, dead or alive.
I can do this.
She wants to be a badass recovery agent.
I might like his better.
Stephanie started a new job.
Yeah, she's got a gun.
Put the gun away, Ma.
She belongs in a home.
Clarence Sampson. He got kicked out of 2 retirement homes for flashing his...
Hello there.
Wow. Hookers. They always know something.
If you want information from Lula, you gotta bring her a snack.
A snack.
I'm hungry.
You're out of your league. Gotta stay sharp, Plum.
Stephanie Plum. Vinny sent you to bring me in.
You're going down, bro.
You know what? You're sexy as hell.